Has this ever happened to you?
Oh no, my doorknob's broken.
Fear not. Here is how to replace the doorknob mechanism on a wooden screen door. So first, it's held on by 2 screws, and we go ahead and unscrew the top screw and take it out and unscrew the bottom screw and remove it as well. And then the whole thing will kind of come off in 2 pieces. On the back side, you can see there's a square shaft going through the middle of it, and then the doorknob part will just come off like that. And now you need to find a kit. There's a link in the description if you need one of these. This is a universal door latch kit. You'll see why it is universal in a minute here. So you put the square shaft in there and then put the interior door handle kind of parallel to the ground as if it were latched. And then, oh no, it doesn't fit. But the kit did say universal on it. So you can see the holes don't line up, but they've made a provision for that where you can unscrew these mounting, whatever the heck you call them, bolt holes, and move them into different positions so that they will match the setting on your screen door, that match whatever holes were native to your screen door. So now, using those 2 closer together holes, it fits just fine. Again, the latch is in locked position, the interior latch. And then we're going to just put screws in, but it also comes with a short screw and a long screw because your door might be thick or it might be thin. This is a thick door, so I'm going to use the longer screws on it, or longer bolts, I should say. And so you can choose the right ones for your thickness of screen door, and then you just torque them down. I'll tighten the bottom one, tighten the top one, and then I go tighten the bottom one again just to make absolutely sure that it is tight, and then slam the door and see if it works, and we're done.